In this video, how to fix Winget stuck at loading screen on Windows. This occurs because Winget is shipped with the app installer package. Therefore, you need to update it to the latest version from the Microsoft Store before using the Winget Windows Package Manager. In the Microsoft Store, navigate to the Downloads section in the left side panel. Scroll down and find the app installer. You will see that it is installed, but you need to wait a few seconds. Then the Update button will appear. Click on it to update the app installer to the latest version. If you get it, let's close the PowerShell or terminal, then try again. Once the app installer is updated, you can now use Winget to install and manage apps in Windows normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.